Hello all. Now let's write the code to save the tweet text into the local storage of the user. So here we will use this local storage. Let me just show it to you. Local storage set item. We can use this. The set item method sets the value of the specified storage object item. So here is the example. Write yourself. As you can see, we can use this method. What it does is, first of all, we have to pass the key and the value. So we need to pass the key and value. Key will be unique and we can pass the values. So let me go back here. I will close this and not required. And now I will go to the Visual Studio Code and we will use local storage dot set item. So local storage dot set item, and here we already know that the ID of the tweet will be always unique. That is why I am selecting it as the key. So tweet ID will be key for me and the value will be tweet text. So tweet text will be the value. So whenever user click on this button, this information will be saved into the local storage of the user. And if the information is already saved, then we want to give the user a warning. So first of all, let's verify this and then we will do that part as well. So let's refresh the page, and now you have to go to application, and here on local storage you have to click on this and you have to like focus on this part. When I click on this button, you will see some entries will be happening here. So let me click on save, and as you can see, this one JavaScript is super one is added here. If I click on this one, you can see googling is a skill is also added here. So this is how it is working. But now whenever user click on this googling is a skill button again, this save button for googling is a skill tweet idea, then it should give us the warning. So what we will do is, before saving the tweet into the local storage, we will see if it is already saved in the local storage, and if it is already there, we will give a warning to the user. So let's do that. So before, like here, first of all, we will create one more const which will be named as saved text, and it will local storage dot get item, and here we will pass the ID of the tweet. Now after this we will check if saved text is equals to tweet text, then we will just give a warning console.log warning tweet idea is already saved. And if this doesn't match, then we'll call this thing local storage. So this is simple if else block which we have used. So let's deploy this source to org. Let's also make it a little and refresh the page. Also I will show I will clear this console and go into the application. You can see this googling is skill is already saved. So if I click on save button, it is not again popping on this key value pair. And if we go to the console, you can see tweet idea is already saved. If I click on it again, it is again showing tweet idea is already saved. This tweet text is printed because we are logging it after writing this line. We are logging it here and we don't need it as well. So that's it in this video. We are able to like save the tweet ideas into the local storage of the user. Now what we want to do is we need to show the toast message, which we will do in the next video. Thank you very much.